Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson.
Section 9, JavaScript and Images. Lesson 9.3, JavaScript Rollover. Two more useful events are onMouseOver and onMouseOut. We can have the two words in all lowercase if we prefer. As either name suggests, we want something to happen when the mouse pointer moves over or away from something like an image or a hyperlink. Let's test it out. Move our mouse over the image, then move it away. For the HTML, add the following between the two body tags. So we have an image with the ID image1. The source is home page. We also have a hyperlink beneath a p tag. When the mouse pointer is over the image, we want to swap it for the one called home2.jpg. When the mouse pointer moves away, we'll swap it back. We'll then do the same with the hyperlink. We are going to add the following to our image tag. We've added the onMouseOver event to the image, and after an equal sign, we have the name of the function we want to call. Now add the onMouseOver and onMouseOut code to our hyperlink. Let's save the changes and refresh it in our browser. We should see the rollover effect happen when we move our mouse pointer on then away from the hyperlink. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.